Did you know you can still engage your employees even when it's Christmas? In this period, it's normal that employees take some time and spend some time with their families. Although, it doesn't mean that they lose the engagement that they have with the organization. This way, you can create engaging dynamics related with the time of the year that can engage your employees and have their contribution. For example, you can share some Christmas recipes, or you can even ask them to send pictures from their Christmas. In the end, why not sending a push notification wishing a Merry Christmas for everyone? So, it's never inadequate or it's never too late to keep your people engaged with the organization, not only in a professional way, but also in a more personal and emotional way.